Have you got a messy workshop? Because this new Daytona 62-inch workbench is the antidote. It's built to keep your workshop organized and powered. It's got power boards with USB on the end and inside the big tool drawer. You can hang up your cordless tools, charge your batteries, all inside that drawer out of the way. Getting all your chargers and batteries off your precious workspace up on top. Really easy access to all your storage. The bench lifts up on struts. All 9 drawers are full extension for easy access down the back. Each drawer is rated for up to 45 kilograms and has a liner. And the whole lot's mounted on big heavy duty casters with nice big chunky handles on both ends so you can take your tools and your workbench to where you're working. It's all lockable, has a really solid, easy to clean top, has loads of storage, and it looks pretty schmick too. The new 62-inch trolley bench from Daytona is exclusive to Sydney Tools and in stores now. You can get the full specs and order online from our website. And if you have any questions, as always, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.